Hello, my name is France. I'm working at Manitou Group in the marketing team. I am in charge of the social media strategy and the content for the group. Manitou is an international company which has kept its family spirit. We propose and design solutions for our customer. The solutions are machine, attachments and services. Structure your needs with all future users. At the moment, we are managing more than 2,800 products with more 1,000 attributes. On average, we have 100 attributes by product. Our difficulty lies in the complexity and diversity and not in the volume. Today we manage 36 languages. I think we have more than 56 users. We plan to continue to training our colleagues. Building a team, it's a long job that must be done in a team, which is true you can do it alone.